to get the plumb cut for your hip or your valley, what you can do, if you have a look here, you'll notice that that 30 actually lines up with the 7 here. So that's 7 inches over 12, or 7 inches rise per foot. Okay, and that's on the common rafter side of the scale. Okay, so if you wanted the plumb cut for your hip at a 30-degree pitch for the main roof, you would rotate the square around till you got to the 7 on the hip and valley side. Okay, so I've rotated that around now, and on this side of the scale, the hip and valley side, I've got that on 7. So that will give me the plumb cut over here for my hip member. Okay, so 30 degrees lines up with 7. Okay, that's 7 inches per over 12, 7 inches per foot. That gives you your plumb cut common rafter. And if you line up the 7 on the other side of the square of this scale, that will give you the plumb cut for your hip and valley rafter. Okay, and then the other one you can do, you can get your level bevel. So if you know you've got a pitch of 30 degrees, take that away from 90, gives you 60. Okay, so you've got 60 degrees left. You can flip your square over, rotate that around to 60 degrees, and that will be your level bevel for your common rafter. Okay, level bevel for your common rafter. Okay, so there you go. There's the speed square and the bevels that you can obtain, or the way you can use it to get your bevels for your plumb bevel common rafter and your plumb bevel hip.